Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a popular health trend, lemon water. Did you know that 82% of lemon water drinkers are unknowingly sabotaging their health efforts? That's right. Your daily detox drink might be doing more harm than good. Now, before you ditch your lemons altogether, let me assure you, there are real benefits to incorporating lemon water into your routine. The key is doing it correctly. We're going to debunk some common myths surrounding lemon water, and more importantly, I'm going to share 5 common mistakes people make. Mistakes that could be hindering your health goals. So if you're ready to learn how to maximize the benefits of this simple yet powerful drink, stick around. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health tips and updates. Leave a comment below with your lemon water experiences and any questions you have. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, let's talk about why lemon water has become such a widespread phenomenon. It seems like everyone and their grandma is squeezing lemons into their water these days, right? It's almost like a new trend that has taken over. Part of the reason is the surge in popularity of detox routines and the desire for quick health fixes. Lemon water is often touted as this magical elixir that can flush out toxins and leave you feeling revitalized and refreshed. While it's true that staying hydrated is essential for your body's natural detoxification processes, lemon water doesn't hold any special detoxifying powers beyond that. It's just water with a twist. Another reason for its popularity is the refreshing taste that it offers. Let's be honest, plain water can get a little boring, and adding a squeeze of lemon adds a burst of flavor that can make staying hydrated much more enjoyable and interesting. Plus, there's the whole vitamin C boost claim, which we'll delve into a little deeper later on in this video. Now, don't get me wrong, lemon water does offer some genuine health benefits that shouldn't be overlooked. It can help with hydration, which is crucial for overall health, and the citric acid in lemons can aid in digestion for some people, making it a good addition to your diet. However, it's important to approach these claims with a healthy dose of skepticism and understand that lemon water is not a miracle cure for all ailments. Think of it this way. Lemon water is like a supportive friend, not a superhero. It can help, but it won't solve everything. Now let's dive into the first mistake many people make. Improper dilution. You might be wondering, how can you mess up something as simple as lemon water? Well, believe it or not, the ratio of lemon juice to water matters significantly. Too much lemon juice, and you risk eroding your tooth enamel over time due to the acidity. On the other hand, too little lemon juice, and you're basically drinking glorified water. Refreshing, but you miss out on some of the potential benefits. So, what's the magic ratio? A good rule of thumb is to start with a glass of lukewarm water, around 8 ounces, and add the juice of half a lemon. This provides a good balance of flavor and benefits without being too harsh on your teeth. Of course, you can adjust the amount of lemon juice to suit your taste preferences. Some people might prefer a stronger taste, while others might like it milder. Remember, listen to your body and find what works best for you. Your perfect lemon water sweet spot is unique to you. Let's talk about temperature. You might have heard that drinking warm lemon water in the morning kickstarts your metabolism. While there's no scientific evidence to support that claim, the temperature of your lemon water does matter a lot. Drinking ice-cold lemon water, especially first thing in the morning, can shock your system. It might sound refreshing, but it can actually slow down your digestion significantly. On the other hand, boiling hot water can degrade some of the beneficial compounds found in lemons, like vitamin C. So what's the ideal temperature for your lemon water? Room temperature or lukewarm water is the sweet spot for optimal benefits. Now, let's talk timing. When you drink, your lemon water is just as important as how you prepare it. Many people swear by drinking lemon water first thing in the morning. They claim it helps kickstart their metabolism and hydrates them after a long night's sleep. While the metabolism boost is a myth, rehydrating in the morning is definitely a good idea for overall health. However, drinking lemon water on an empty stomach, especially if you're prone to heartburn or acid reflux, can aggravate these conditions for some individuals. Instead of chugging it down right after you wake up, try waiting about 30 minutes after waking up and have a glass of plain water first. Another time to avoid lemon water is right before, during, or immediately after meals. The acidity can interfere with digestion and might even worsen heartburn symptoms, making you feel uncomfortable. Aim for between meals, like mid-morning or mid-afternoon, to enjoy your lemon water without any issues. Chapter 6. Mistake number 5. Overreliance on lemon water. It's not a cure-all. Let's be clear. Lemon water is not a magic potion. It's not going to single-handedly cure all your ailments or transform your health overnight. The fifth mistake people often make is putting too much emphasis on lemon water and neglecting other crucial aspects of a healthy lifestyle. Think of it this way. Lemon water is like a supporting character in the movie of your health journey. It plays a role, but it's not the star of the show. The lead roles belong to a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep. Drinking lemon water alone won't magically erase the effects of a poor diet, sedentary lifestyle, or chronic stress. Focus on building a solid foundation for good health through nutritious food choices, regular physical activity, stress-reducing techniques, and quality sleep. Chapter 8. The truth about lemon water benefits. What it can really do for you. Now that we've debunked some myths and uncovered the truth about lemon water, let's end on a positive note by highlighting the real benefits it offers when consumed correctly. Lemon water is a great way to increase your water intake. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for countless bodily functions, from regulating body temperature to transporting nutrients to flushing out waste products. The citric acid in lemons can aid in digestion for some individuals. It stimulates saliva production and might even help relieve indigestion or bloating. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that plays a vital role in immune function, collagen production, and wound healing. While lemon water isn't a concentrated source, it can contribute to your daily intake. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.